All right, folks. Today we're diving into a timepiece that's as refreshing as it sounds. The Studio Underdog Watermelon Chronograph. Yes, you heard that right. Watermelon. It's a watch that doesn't just tell time, it tells a story. Let's slice into it. At last, Studio Underdog made another run of their watermelon chronograph. They're calling it the third generation, but let's be honest, it's really just the third drop, driven by demand. And yep, I'm part of that demand. Unless something major changed in this version that I missed, feel free to call me out in the comments. I'm genuinely curious if there's more to it than just a re-release. Let's rewind a bit. Time for the unboxing. Studio Underdog keeps it clean and simple. The watch comes in this minimalist slide-out box with their logo front and center. Inside, the watermelon sits in a custom foam cutout alongside a handwritten thank you note and a warranty card. No unnecessary fluff, just solid indie charm. Now, if you're familiar with the channel, you already know I always change the strap before the first wrist shot. It's just a thing I do. It helps me bond with the watch, gives it a little more personality right out of the gate. But I'll say this, the stock strap on the watermelon, the quality is really good. I actually paused before swapping it out. Alright, first impressions. This dial is something else. It's not just pink, it's a vivid, almost sun-kissed red-pink sunburst that shifts depending on the light. And then you've got those two mint green and red sub-dials that just pop off the background like slices of rind. The 3 o'clock 30-minute counter and the 9 o'clock running seconds are both framed with subtle black tracks that keep it clean and legible. Then there are the seed-like black indices. Yep, literal seeds, scattered in a way that sounds chaotic, but somehow feels balanced. It's playful, but there's restraint in how it's all laid out. Nothing feels overcooked. It's like fruity minimalism. And hey, let's talk about lume. Because yes, technically there is lume, but it's subtle. The hour and minute hands have a touch of lume applied, just enough to make it functional in low light, but don't expect a torch. This isn't a diver, it's a cocktail hour conversation piece. The lume is more of a bonus than a feature, and honestly, I'm cool with that. It doesn't need to glow. It shines just fine on its own. How about a little history of the brand behind this fruity timepiece? Studio Underdog is a British microbrand founded in 2020 by Richard Benck. Frustrated by the watch industry's often serious and traditional approach, Benck set out to create a serious watch that doesn't take itself too seriously. The brand quickly gained attention with its unique designs and successful Kickstarter campaign, launching models like the Watermelon, Desert Sky, and Goofy Panda. Studio Underdog's philosophy combines bold aesthetics with quality craftsmanship, offering a refreshing alternative in the watch world. They also recently released the Avocado and Guacamole. Powering the watermelon is the Seagull ST1901 hand-wound chronograph movement. While it's a Chinese-made movement, it's based on the vintage Swiss Venus 175 and offers a column wheel mechanism operating at 21,600 beats per minute. The movement is visible through the display case back, adding to the watch's charm. On the wrist, the watermelon is lightweight and slim, making it suitable for daily wear. Its eye-catching design is a conversation starter, and you'll likely receive compliments and questions about this unique timepiece wherever you go. In a world filled with monochromatic dials and conservative designs, the Studio Underd0g Watermelon stands out as a beacon of creativity and fun. It's a watch that doesn't just keep time, it brings a smile to your face every time you check it. If you're looking to add a splash of color and personality to your collection, this might just be the perfect pick. What are your thoughts on the Studio Underd0g Watermelon? Is it a refreshing take on watch design or a bit too bold for your taste? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more unique watch reviews. Until next time, keep your wrists happy.